How to backup data in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to backup your data on Telegram. It's super easy and only takes a few steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on Settings. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the option labeled data and storage. And now here in this section, simply make sure that the three of the options under save to gallery is turned on. And also make sure that the three of the options under automatic media download section is also enabled. And now if you are switching to a new device, backing up your data is even simpler. Just log into your Telegram account on the new device and all your chats and media will be automatically synced. No extra steps needed for that. And that's it. With this, your data stays safe and accessible. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.